$30 million. I'm going to ask 3 questions that are about sync licensing in one form or another. So question number 1, Mike Post, composer, made over $30 million from a single 3-second sound effect. What television show made it famous? So there's A, LA Law, B, NCIS, C, Law and Order, D, CSI.
I will go with Law and Order.
Yes. Do you know the sound?
Dun dun.
$30 million
That's crazy.
from a 3-second sound effect.
That is insane.
And the reason I picked these questions, obviously, is, if anybody's out there and you're like, man, I wonder if I should get into TV.
I didn't even know that created so much revenue for him.